this is Rana, and I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. Today I have a little envelope album that I made using 4 envelopes. I am just showing you here that I'm attaching the first two with the flaps facing in, and then these two will have the flaps facing into each other so that the center is the outside of the envelope. So this will create 2 pockets on the first 2 pages, then 2 blank pages, and then 2 pockets on the back 2 pages. Um, that's where the envelopes are opening into, the center of the envelope. So I go ahead and glue down the back portion as well. I'm showing you there that you can open the little flaps. I decided to make this kind of last minute, and we are going to Great Wolf Lodge. It's a gift that, the main gift that I got for my grandkids, and I wanted to do this little book that they could read. We won't be going to Great Wolf Lodge until March, and I just wanted to have something that they could use to kind of count down until it's time to go. The younger kids, especially, um, something to look forward to. So I did prep this ahead of time and kind of cut down the pages. So for these pages, this is where the flaps will be, and I will have some stickers that I just printed on my Cricut. Well, I didn't print them. I cut vinyl, little wolves, and I'm going to have those just in a glassine bag. And then on the other pockets, and I did a mistake here. I have been gluing on the envelope, which makes more sense than gluing on the paper because I don't want to take any chances that the paper cover up the envelope opening. So, as I said, I am also inserting these little calendars that I have, and then they can stick a sticker after each day. And there's the glassine bag. So you can see those little stickers just fit right inside each day. And there's one for each month until it's time for us to go. Now, for the little book that I'm writing, the book is entitled We're Going on a Wolf Hunt, and it kind of mimics We're Going on a Bear Hunt, the little children's book or song. And I had ChatGPT write this. I kind of modified it a little bit to make it work, and that's what I'm going with. It was, like I said, kind of a last minute little thing. I wanted it to kind of sound like a countdown. Um, so that's what I put into the parameters for ChatGPT to write this, but it still sounds, similar to like a little uh, kids repetition book, and it was sort of cute. And, so that's what I'm working with here. Very, very simple design. I'm not adding a lot of embellishments. I'm using a little bit of the Heidi Swap. I think the name of this collection was Wolfpack. And like I said, I cut my little silhouette wolves there just with some uh, removable vinyl, actually. And I'm using this Heidi Swap collection, and very, very simple. So these the center of the book, the 2 center pages here are the full, front part of the envelope. So I'm just gluing some paper onto that, and then the other ones have the pockets that will have the, calendars and the little stickers in them. So these are, um, just the little, you could have ChatGPT had an area where you could put in different things that you wanted to do with what they wrote, and I had it print like a book, but it wasn't ideal. It didn't stop in the right places, so I have some of these are cut apart, like you could see there. And I could have fixed all of that and fixed all the printing. I didn't really want to spend a lot of time on this, so I printed it like it was, and then I'm just going with it. I'm adding a little bit of these little washi tape, which is wolf tracks, I guess you'd say. And I didn't like some of the icons that the program put, so I'm kind of covering those up. that's just a little star since I use that dark constellation paper. I just like the colors on that, and I didn't really care that it was a night sky. It worked out fine because in the little book language, it talked about the night, um, and dreaming about Great Wolf Lodge, something to that effect. And so I thought that was appropriate. I'm adding some of the puffy stickers, but not a lot. Again, I wanted this to be very simple. It's not the book that really matters. It was more of uh, the stickers and the calendar pages that they'll use, and they won't be able to keep that as part of the book anyway. So it didn't really matter what the book looked like. It was just something for them to open, and I thought that was fun. So um, mine my envelopes are square. I'm thinking of lots of other ways to do a little envelope book like this. However, it would be fun to use like your recycled Christmas card envelopes. Even if they were all different sizes and shapes, they would make a very unique and fun little book. You can obviously have lots more pages than what I needed for my book. So it's kind of endless. You could do lots of different things with this, and it would be super cute and a lot of fun to make. Of course, any collection would work on an envelope like this, um, or a book like this. So I think that, yeah, the possibilities are endless here, and definitely you could add lots more embellishment and fun to it if you had more time and were willing to do that. Um, I think this turned out pretty cute, and the kids were happy with it and thought it was kind of fun. I have a picture at the very end of my oldest grandson reading it out loud to everyone, and yeah, they were excited. It was a surprise, and so I thought it was fun. Um, I didn't want the washi tape to go over that one, so I just put it underneath and adding a few more of the puffy stickers. I'm using just some puffy hearts that I had that I keep by my desk and use for little things like this, and they worked out perfectly for just a tiny bit of embellishment that I wanted. I will go ahead and add the other calendar pages to those two pages. Um, But again, I'm thinking that even if you had like a long rectangle, you could put it farther um, into the envelope and have a smaller, or cut it down and have a smaller page. I just think it would be really fun to have all different sizes of envelopes to make a fun little unique book. I liked this one with the square. It worked out well. I liked the size of the pockets. That worked out perfectly to fit my little calendars in. And it's fine. Um, but it is nice and sturdy, and you could definitely add some pictures. You could add in some page protectors if you wanted to. I think it, like as a little flip book, it worked out well. You couldn't probably have too many pages because of how the binding would need to be. But anyway, a fun little idea. I hope you had a fantastic Christmas and are ready for some Christmas scrapbooking. I will be back with lots of that in the next few weeks. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.